Hello everyone, this is MD Saifullah. I am today going to present or show my project coding polling system API which is given by the coding link. And this is the description page of my project, and basically we use Node.js for the server application and for database MongoDB, and this task will be given. So let's go through the coding section. So firstly we can see the index.js. This is can use body parser express.js and port number 8000. So first we see the body structure or folder structure of my project. Config file is Mongo's, which is basically MongoDB application has a given theme. So use localhost for connecting the database. So let's go through the another file. Controller has a option controller and question controller. So just because it is connection to the database and send the request and get the response. So let's go to the another file. This is model has option.js and question.js. This is basically schemas for defining schemas of the project. And go through the routes. Routes has a API. API has a version 1 and under the version 1 has a index.js and option.js has a redirect to the option controller and question controller redirect to the question. And this is index.js use the router of the version 1 as index.js. So let's run the code, and you can see the result. This is port number 8000 and connected to the database MongoDB. So let's go through the Postman. So Postman has a testing API for this project, and we are creating a question. Just you can see the task. Firstly, create a question. So we this is required routes given by coordinator. So you can see here, and port number 8000 as a local host, and go through the post method. So you can see here which programming language do you know, and this is the ID generated by the post. So let's go through the add option. Add option has a content and go through the language. Programming language in Java. Sorry, my bad. I cannot change my ID. So add option is there, and this is Java. So you can see here ID has created and the option has a Java. So let's add another language, Python. You can see here add another option. Let's 1 or 2. Right. So you can see here I paste and add the five option. So you can get view option. So you can see here. So view has the option. You can see the question. So we let's copy the ID and paste it here. And you can see ID has a here. Yes. This is basically separate ID for set every option, and you can see add vote as a manually with ID created Java, Python, JavaScript, and Node.js. So you can be vote from here. So voted. So basically it is showing the zero. Let's go through the option, then send the request to another, and you can see here increases by the one. You can vote again and again, send the request. You can see here one, but for refresh you can see the another. So you can see here. Just let's another vote option. You can see nothing much, but refresh once. You can see increases by one. So you can delete an option from here. So firstly, which option you can want to delete? Copy this ID and paste it on the delete option, and you can see here option deleted and go through the view. Firstly, refresh, and you can see React.js is not here. So basically, project is this, and let's uh, go through the delete question. If you want to delete a question, you can copy the ID and it will be pasted here, and you can see the response. Question deleted. You can see only question has a here because ID is generated by the post. So this is my project, which is basically for API testing on Postman. So thank you everyone, and you can see my code in GitHub repository. So this is my ID and this is my repository icon.